Hi everyone. Hi everyone, it's Joe Steele, and this is my new dance that I just choreographed to James Otto's new song, Groovy Little Summer Song. And the name of the dance is Groovy Little Dance. 32 count, easy intermediate, 4-wall dance, 2 tags and 2 restarts, very easy ones. Here we go with the first 8 counts. Weights on your left foot. Nightclub 2-step to the right and to the left. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. We're going to do a half a turn, stepping back on the right foot, triple step, right, left, right. Sweep the left foot around, a little sailor shuffle, left, right, left. First 8 counts. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5 and 6, sweep 7 and 8. Weights in your left foot. Next 8 counts. Shuffle forward, right, left, right. We're going to do a full turn. Triple step, step forward, turn, turn. With a coaster step, back, back, forward, and a kickball step. Kickball step. That's the second 8 counts. Put them together. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5 and 6, sweep 7 and 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Weights on your right foot. What we're going to do now is 2 scissor steps, rock out, rock back, and cross. Again, rock out, rock back, and cross. That's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Weave to the left, side behind, side in front, rock out, recover back, a quarter turn, and step forward on the left foot. Alright, so that's the next 8 counts. We'll put them together. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, sweep 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Weights on your left foot. Wizard steps, going to the right and left diagonals. The same as a nightclub 2-step, only moving forward. So you're going to step forward for 1, lock the left foot for 2, and step forward for 3, lock the right step, 4, and. Weights on your left foot. We're going to step forward, pivot a half a turn, step forward, pivot a quarter turn, and that's the end of the dance. Let's do the whole thing. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, sweep 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cool.